Alright guys, so today we are going to be troubleshooting a kill switch problem. It's not shutting off. This is on ryobi tp30. I went through and made sure the wires were plugged in. I don't see anything, noticeable here. But when it runs too well. When I go to shut it off, it won't shut off. I've pressed hard, wiggled the button really hard, trying to make it to work. And when I had to take the air filter off and stick my thumb over the carburetor and stop it. So, yeah, I had to thumb choke it to shut it off. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this thing apart. I do not have an on-off switch. I may have to make a whole nother on-off kill switch. But hopefully it's just unplugged or a broken wire or something stupid like that in there. So we're just going to take these screws out the handle. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you got these two over here, 6, 7. So you can get all of them out. I think this is a torque 25. So pull this out. All this looks attached. So I'm going to take a multimeter to test this switch. We're going to put it on sounder, which is this guy right here, this little emblem here. So when you touch the two together, it makes a beep. Hold it on each end of this guy, and nothing. No sound at all. So it's a bad switch. Pause. So we're going to take and replace it with a new on-off switch. I did find one laying around the shop. So just unplug these two wires. And you can test this. It's kind of hard to hold these on there, but that one works. Alright. So we're going to take and unplug these two. Maybe we're going to unplug these two. Find some needles. Some wire pliers or something. There we go. And it doesn't matter which one goes where. They're just connecting to shut off. So we're going to put this one on here. This one on here. Like so. And we're going to get these back in to this slot. Fit like that. Oh, is that one bigger? No way. Well, it's not bigger. Why is it acting like that? Oh, because I'm half an idiot. That's why. Alright, so it goes like that. And then this is going to go back on top. Gotta line everything up. Try to get the screws out, they get in the way. I got these bottom ones kind of lined up. That's all working. So we're going to go ahead and get them started. And I'll go up to these ones and try to line them up. We don't lose it. Pushes it in all the way. Okay, and I think this is just because There's a screw in there still. Should settle down in there nicely. We'll see how that goes. Up. Screw it in. This other one. Screw it in. These top guys, screw them in. And that's it, guys. That's how you replace the kill switch on the ryobi weed eaters. I'll put the kill switch in the description below. If it helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up. Hit the notifications bell. It does help out the channel. Subscribe also helps. Got any questions? Go ahead and ask. If you got any problems with any of your stuff, you can ask me. If I've got one laying around, I will try my best to do a video for you. That's it, guys.